The Los Angeles Fire Department Museum and Historical Society documents the history of the Los Angeles Fire Department. Located in the heart of Hollywood on Cahuenga Boulevard, next door to Fire Station 27, the museum first opened on October 11, 2001. The museum offers a hands-on experience with antique fire trucks and many firefighting-related artifacts dating back more than 100 years. The museum has collected a variety of artifacts and pieces, including rare firefighting equipment and apparatus. The museum has plenty to catch your interest and entertain visitors, from young children who get their own junior fire department helmet at the entrance to history buffs and those who appreciate restored vintage vehicles. Here you can explore the LA City Fire Department's legacy and experience the history of firefighting. There's much to see here at the museum, including beautiful artwork that illustrates the rich history of firefighting. The walls of the museum are filled with historical photographs documenting the department's history. Starting as a volunteer department, Los Angeles established the official city fire department in 1886. When it opened in July of 1930, the Hollywood 27 station was the largest fire station west of the Mississippi. For decades, the ornate station served residents of Hollywood, the movie studios, and businesses in the area. It served as a movie location for Buster Keaton and the Three Stooges. The Beach Boys filmed their music video for their classic Good Vibrations at this station. The building's classic Italian Renaissance architecture is beautiful. Damaged by an earthquake in 1994, a new Fire Station 27 was built next door. The original Fire Station 27 building has been restored as the LA Fire Department Museum. The museum's 3 apparatus bays are filled with equipment, some dating back to the 1880s. Artifacts and equipment of many types are on display. This 1905 Gorder water tower was originally horse-drawn. In 1921, the water tower was fitted with an American LaFrance tractor V12 engine. There is also a 1954 Cadillac ambulance nearby. With its high ceilings, 6 old-fashioned brass fire poles, and dozens of antique fire engines, the museum looks like the set from a movie backlot. Very friendly and knowledgeable, retired firefighters offer visitors free tours of the museum, providing details and backstories to the history of the LA Fire Department. There's much to see, so having a private tour with these firefighting volunteers pointing out important details and personal stories is a true learning experience. The museum includes a fire service research center and a learning center on the upper floors where fire and life safety lessons are taught. The museum collection includes thousands of photographs with hundreds of hours of firefighting-related film and video. The original fire poles extend from the second floor down to the ground floor at this location. The LA Fire Department Museum and Historical Society is a nonprofit organization established to educate the public, preserve the historical apparatus of the LA Fire Department, and memorialize fallen firefighters. The museum provides a place to remember and memorialize those members who lost their lives in service to the public and the city. The Fallen Firefighters Memorial for Fallen Firefighters is the centerpiece of the museum's entrance. The memorial was built in 2008 with the names of the fallen inscribed on a granite slab. It honors the 260 firefighters killed in the line of duty. The statues each weigh about 900 pounds. About 5,000 pounds of bronze was used on the statues. An undiscovered gem in the heart of Hollywood, this outstanding firefighting museum has beautifully restored firefighting equipment. It's well worth a visit if you're a fire buff or looking for a different experience. Whether you're a city resident or a first-time visitor, if you have any interest in firefighters or the fire department or an appreciation for vintage fire trucks and equipment, discover the Los Angeles Fire Department Museum.